was climbing a tree.
A pumpkin was climbing a tree. Yeah, I can't. You got to move
And
this away from your face.
He was gonna eat all the apples, but the octopus took all them.
Okay, wait. So the pumpkin was climbing a tree because he was going to eat all the apples.
Yeah,
But the octopus took all of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was on purpose.
On purpose. Okay. And then what happened?
In the end.
The end. Well, why did the octopus take the apples?
Because he told him he was hungry for a snack. And the octopus was going to give him the apples and he forgot it was taking so long. So he wanted to get them.
Mm-hmm.
But he didn't notice he did it on purpose to eat all the apples.
Oh. And so then what happened to the pumpkin? How did he feel when the octopus took all his...
So then he bumped his head.
He bumped his head. Ouch.